I still got on my pajamas, but it's okay. I love you guys. I am tired.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came.
Happy Friday. I got my lunch break coffee. I got a double blonde espresso, brown sugar cold foam, 3 sugar-free vanilla, 2 white mocha, and light almond milk with cinnamon powder. And they told me to have a lovely weekend, period. Hi, vlog. So I'm getting ready to drive to my hometown because my little cousin just had himself a baby girl. And I just stopped to grab her some things. This is the bag. It just says congrats and it's pink. I'm getting glitter all over my car. First thing I got her was this velvet onesie. And it got ears. So cute. I got this in newborn size. And then I got her a pink jacket. I got her a nude color one too. Both of them got ears on it. I just love the ears. So cute. And then I got her some bibs. Cutesy. Some little socks. Oh my goodness. She's just a girl. She's just a baby girl. Yes, y'all. This is her baby gift. And we're going to see the baby. Let's go. And I will talk to y'all when I get there. Bye. All right, y'all. We are here at the hospital about to see Kaylani. Yes. You're welcome. Yeah, this should be right. Say hi, world. My name is Kaylani Rose. And I'm the prettiest baby in the hospital. So pure. Hey, vlog. I am the auntie. Oh, look at there. That girl got her girl cousin.
Finally.
That's so sweet.
I'm the cousin. And I finally got my girl cousin. Because I got like 6 boy cousins.
Look at that baby. Yeah, I had to stop at Buc-ee's. Y'all, what's the song on TikTok that be saying Buc-ee's? It's nobody here for real because it's supposed to be a winter storm. But I think they're overreacting a little bit. I don't know. We here to work out. Let's do this. Happy Saturday. Okay, y'all, I just did 30 minutes of incline walking. And now I'm doing my 5-minute cool down. Then I'm gonna go stretch and do a little bit of abs. And then we're leaving the gym for today. It is Saturday, January 24th. And we in the gym. Because summer is in 5 months. Actually, less than that. So get up, girl. This is my summary of my workouts. So yes, queens and kings, go move your body. Good morning, vlog. Today is Sunday, January 25th, and it's supposed to be a winter storm, but I don't think it's gonna winter storm where I'm at, so I have to go on with my regularly scheduled program because I don't see no storm. Where is the storm? And everybody's saying like, y'all bought all the groceries, y'all ain't even leave a pack of ground beef, and it's just like, why do y'all be doing it? If the power is out, you can't cook no damn ground beef. So what did you take all the ground beef for? I don't know, but I didn't do all that. I got me a few snacks. They already gone. Everything is just funny because the world we live in, like, it's crazy. I'm about to get up and start my day. I'm gonna wash my clothes like I always do on Sundays and make me some breakfast. I really want to hit the gym, but it's like, is the gym open? It should be. The gym should be open because it's no winter storm. Like, where is the storm? Like, they really be... I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm just gonna get up and go on with my day. And if it start raining, I will go back home. If I leave the house and it start raining, I will just go back home. I really want me some coffee. So I'm gonna eat breakfast first because I don't want coffee to be the first thing that I put in my body. So I'm gonna make me some hot tea, eat me some breakfast, start a load of clothes, and then we're gonna go out and about and see what the winter storm is talking about. Because at this point, I'm waiting. I'm waiting patiently for it because as soon as it comes, I'm gonna go right back to sleep, boo. But I hope y'all are staying safe during these uncertain times and inclement weather times. And I hope that you have everything that you need. And I hope that you're having an amazing day. And let's start the last week of January off right and have an amazing week. I love you guys. Let's see what the winter storm looking like. Child, there's no winter storm. It's not even raining. And they said it was going to be raining. Get this day started. So, do y'all like this angle? I put my phone on 0.5. And I don't know. Let me know if y'all like this angle. But I wonder, is the water frozen or is it just like fog over it? Because it looks white like ice. I don't know. But I will see y'all in a minute when I get myself all the way together. I literally just got up out the bed. And my sleep score last night was a 91. Period. Because I need quality beauty sleep every night. I don't even usually wear my Apple Watch to bed, but I'm gonna start wearing it to bed. I need to keep up with my sleep. I did good last night though. The night before that, it was like a 50 something. And I didn't like that, so. Happy Sunday, Sunday fun day, Sunday fun day. Okay, bye. I got my tea, chamomile tea, y'all. I'm making me some breakfast on this good Sunday morning. It's currently 11 o'clock, 11:02. Turkey sausage and scrambled eggs, guys. Yeah, that's what we eating on this Sunday morning. And I'm gonna grab me an Activia yogurt out of the fridge when I'm done with this. Hi, vlog. Happy Friday. It's Friday, January 30th, y'all. It's the last Friday of January 2026. Like, this month is pretty much over after tomorrow. Like, that's crazy, right? I'm just pumping some gas right now. Ghetto, right? And I went and got me a Alani Nu energy drink and some water because I'm about to hit the gym and get a quick sweat in. I think that would really just top off my day and put the cherry on top. I'm thinking about going to this pop-up Valentine's theme bar that I saw on TikTok. It looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm thinking that's where I'm gonna go for my solo date this weekend. But I don't want to be tempted to like get a cocktail. I was just gonna get like some appetizers and some mocktails because I'm still doing dry January. So I might go. Oh, it's done. I might go on Sunday, which is February 1st, since I'll be done with dry January. But I really could just go and get mocktails. Like, I don't have to drink. Like, I don't really have a desire to drink. Like, I don't feel like I just need a drink right now. So, I don't know. But I really want to go to their pop-up bar because it looks so cute. I just want to get cute and go do cute stuff. But let me close my gas tank, head to the gym. I'm going to call y'all back when I get to the gym. Okay, guys. We made it. Cheers. We made it to the gym. I'm trying to give this Alani some time to activate. I might just drink the rest while I'm on the Stairmaster. And I got my water. Let me put that in my gym bag. And let me get my ID because I'm not a member here. I be forgetting to get my ID and then I have to come back to the car. And I hate coming back to the car. But yes, queens and kings, I'm going to do Stairmaster treadmill, abs. Yeah, Stairmaster treadmill, abs. I might do the row machine too. And of course, sauna. I might just bake in that sauna today. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I love the sauna. Oh, look at this man baking in our face. He gonna hit them folks' car. Anyway, yeah, we about to get that work. So we can be feeling good, get our endorphins up, get our dopamine up, get everything up. We need high vibrational energy right now. So that's what we own. I didn't go to the gym yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday. I did not go because I just wasn't feeling it. I'm still on my prayer, even though it's coming to the end of Shark Week. Yesterday, I just was not feeling it. I was feeling a little down. I didn't really have an appetite. And I just did not. And then it's so cold. Like, it gets so cold right now. So I just did not feel like getting out of my bed, getting dressed, driving to the gym in a cold, leaving the gym in a cold, sweaty. Like, oh, it's really a mental thing. I'm telling y'all. So, yeah. I'm just going on and on at this point. But I'll see y'all in a few. Bye. We are here. I did 10 minutes. Now I'm done. It's a good amount of people in here for a Friday. So, okay, next thing's next. Okay, I'm about to get off here when I get to 25 minutes. I got it on 7, incline 2.5. The incline walking, y'all, gonna do it. So yeah, I'm tired, I ain't gonna lie.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my home. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here.
If you want it, if you want it, if you want it, boy, don't do that. I'm about to go home and eat me some salmon, green beans, and yellow rice because that's what I meal prep this week. And yeah, I'm not playing. By the time my birthday get here, baby, I'm not wearing no clothes. I'm back home and I'm about to heat up this meal prep because I'm hungry and I need to eat immediately. And I mean immediately. I had a great workout and I stayed in the sauna for 30 minutes. I know you're not supposed to stay in the sauna that long, but I've built up my endurance to last in there and it just feels so good. I can't help myself. So I had a good workout, a good sauna session. I'm telling y'all that incline walking, that's what's gonna do it. The incline walking. I'm telling y'all. And just go up, up, up every week as much as you can. Body gonna be, if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Boy, don't do that. I'll take you through there. Okay, bye. I'm feeling so petite. Like, I'm feeling really, really petite. This gonna be my thumbnail. Hold on. And that's my food. Got a blast. Bone apple teeth. Oh, y'all know what I need right now? Some hot sauce for my salmon. Ooh, it's hot. Hold on. If you want it, if you want it, if you want it. That song is literally stuck in my head. And I used it on my Instagram story today when I went to the gym. Do y'all follow me on Instagram? Go follow me on Instagram right quick. It's the same name as my YouTube handle. And my Snapchat is the same. And my Snapchat and TikTok. I don't got nothing else. I don't got Facebook. I don't got Twitter, X, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube. Follow me. Follow your girl. I just feel so good. It might be that dang on Alani that I drunk. But I just got so much energy. I must be outside right now. I'm young and sexy and hot, you know? I'm so hot and sexy and young. Big mama, no kid. Waiting for the right time. Dang yeah. This salmon is bland as hell. Mind you, it supposed to became seasoned already. I knew better. I should have put my own seasoning on. I have to eat this. If I don't eat all of this, I have to eat the salmon. Like all the salmon. Because I need a protein. If you want it, if you want it. Have y'all stuck to y'all 2026 goals? Because that's the real tea. I hope y'all are doing what y'all need to do at home for yourself. Don't get distracted by nobody. I don't care who it is. Stick to your plan, not your mood. I'm finna finish eating because I'm hungry. Good morning, vlog. Today is Saturday, January 31st, 2026. It's the last day of the month. And it is 11:09 a.m. I woke up around 8 and then I went back to sleep. So I'm about to get up. I really want to get me a good breakfast because it's late in the day, so maybe like brunch. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and I hope y'all enjoyed this month of content that I've been posting on YouTube. Excuse my hair. I'm ready to get dolled up. Coming soon. The maintenance vlog is coming soon. Just hold on. Make sure you guys like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see the next video when I get my hair, my eyebrows, nails, wax, toes, everything. I might get a massage. I don't know. I need all the things. So, I love you guys. And I want you to stay blessed, okay? So no stress, no mess. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So be on the lookout for that. And like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on socials. Let me know what you would like to see or like to hear more of from me. I love you guys. Bye.
It don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on